So hello traders and investors, welcome to Crypto Pratchett. What's trending in crypto today? I have got top 5 coins that are blowing up right now, and if you are trading or investing, you need to know about these moves. Let's get straight into it. So number 1 is Numeraire. So it's NMR. This project is focused on AI powered hedge fund strategies with AI hype pumping across the market. So Numeraire is trending hard right now. If we can see, the price of Numeraire is $16 right now, and Numeraire was consolidating since so long. It was 54% on the low, and it went a recent high of $76, almost 7x at 2021. It gives 7x. If you have invested Numeraire at $2, your money should have been blowed up hard. This coin is listed on all the major exchanges, Binance, Kraken, Albank as well. And right now, if you see, the market cap is $121 million market cap. Let's jump into their technical analysis. So as you can see, Numeraire is holding here at $16.10, right? And if we wanted to see the chart across the trading view, let's pull it up. So as you can see right now, it was been consolidating since so long. It was going nowhere, and now the breakout happened here. The breakout is unbelievable, guys. If we can see, the breakout happened, and it was from here. Where the fuck is the trading view thing? uh okay, now we get it. So the breakout happened here, right? From right here, if we can see, the breakout happened almost 200, oh okay, 107% right now in just 19 hours, in just one day, 106% up. And right now, if we can pull up the technical analysis of this coin, so you can see it's straight big ballistic green candle is happening. If we can do more tech analysis of this coin, is like it was here down. This was the support line of this token. It okay, here you go. This was the support line. There are major support lines as well, but this is, I think so, this is the key support line. Yeah, this one. So yeah, this one, straight into it. Yep. So as you can see, the support 1, support 2, this is the support 2. Okay, let's pull up the resistance, right? So if we can see, resistance is right here, one right here. All right then. So guys, like if you can see, the trading candle, the green big candle has been exploded 100% in just 19 hours. So if you can pull up, if you wanted to do trading with this coin, my analysis shows like it will go, like it will consolidate here a bit, and then once it breaks out this line, we can expect the further growth of this token. So Numeraire is like sort of, we can say, AI big data coin, generative DeFi, and there has been new holders coming in. If you can see there, there are up to 57% top holder distribution. So it's like Ethereum based token. And let's talk about Hyperliquidity. This is top 11th coin in coin market cap. The market cap is pretty huge. It's like $16 billion market cap. And if we wanted to do the tech analysis, this coin haven't been listed in Binance, guys. It is not listed in Binance. So if you wanted to invest in this coin is good, but do your own research. Kindly do not listen to me. Do your own research always. So you see that this the Hyperliquidity break here, and it was retesting this one, and it broke about here, and it went from the support here, it went up again from the support it went up, and now we can see there is a resistance level at this point. At this point there is a resistance level of this coin. I believe like if the resistance level breaks out, it will go up more, but if it does not, if this resistance level does not break even, then we can see the further low, I mean the consolidation. So my suggestion will be, if the coin comes here, if the trading if the charts comes at here, you are supposed to buy. I'm viewing it in the daily time frame. So once it goes and comes around here, you are supposed to buy this token. If you buy the token right here and do the trading, you can see 38%. So you can do the most of the trading thing when the coin comes here, and you can go long, right? Let's go to Livepeer. Yeah, so this coin is old as well. It was launched in 2019, and this was, the market cap is $459 million market cap. I mean, sorry, $321 million market cap, and it's in 156th position in coin market cap. We saw like we can see here it's listed on Binance, Coinbase, Upbit, and all the major exchanges. And now if we can pull this coin up in the trading view, let's pull it in the trading view up again and see how this coin is performing. So yeah, this coin is doing pretty well. If I can pull the daily view so I can look into it. So Livepeer is like a decentralized video streaming on blockchain. So you can stream if you want to do, just like now I'm doing streaming on YouTube, right? So you can stream on Livepeer as well. Within the demand of Web3 streaming, Livepeer keeps gaining attention in the market. So this is good. If we can see, Livepeer is breaking the, what the fuck is this? Oh yeah. So Livepeer is at the support, testing the support level here. Let me pull up the rectangle bar. So yeah, you can see here it is in the support line, right? It broke the support, it comes again at the support level right now. I think so this coin is a buy, because you have to buy this token. Let's say if this breaks out, whenever you will get, or at least let's say first resistance is like 100%, second is 200%, like 3x of your money, third is like almost, if it breaks above this as well, you can earn a lot of money, guys. So as we can see, the first resistance is right here, second is right here. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is, if you do buy this token, or you do trading, you can go long, but do not use more leverage, because it will do 2x here and 3x above this. So what I was saying is, you don't have to do use more, what I can say, you don't have to use more leverage, because if you use more leverage, market makers gonna fuck you up. you know that's the thing. Let me take a screenshot of this shade. Yeah, so Livepeer is right now at I think so it's at $7, right? And the recent high, the all-time high was around $74, 10x from here, guys. And it was at 2022 bull run. I mean 2021, after the 2021 bull run. So if it was in 2021, yeah, that's great. So if this explodes, and it will explode, I know that, and you will earn at least 10x of your money. You just have to wait for gearing it up. So we can see there is another token named Nervos Network. So this coin, we can see like it was it was boomed in it boomed in 2021 as well. So this is like a multi-layer blockchain solution aiming for scalability and interoperability. Oh my god, fuck. So Nervos has been trading as a developer activity picks up, and if we can see the